In this video, we'll walk you through the process of redeeming an NFT. You're redeeming a pNFT when you want a physical copy of the original product. To start, go to your profile to see your owned pNFTs. So I just bought this tailored suit pNFT, and I'd like to redeem this. Click on the pNFT you want to redeem. And you have the option to redeem by simply clicking the Redeem button. This pNFT will be delivered to your location address which you have provided during the sign-up process. You also have the opportunity to change the indicated location address later. As you can see, it is stated that this item is now redeemed. Now to check, go to your profile again, and you can see that the item is available here. Now, if you want to check the progress of the item's delivery, Galileo also provides a delivery dashboard section. Here you can see the status of the item which is pending. Now, how can someone update the status? I'll show you how. So I'm logging in as a brand admin of the company manufacturing that suit, which is the pNFT. Once logged in, I'll go to the dashboard. In the section called Delivery Dashboard, you can see that this item has been asked to redeem and the status is pending. The brand admin can now change the status of the item from pending to in process. And you can see that the status has been modified successfully. I'll log in again as a user to show you that the status has been changed. Now you can see that the status has been successfully updated, and you're now in the process of redeeming your pNFT. It's that fast and simple. Stay tuned for more product demo videos.